Salam.
Salam TV crew, good afternoon. From today, they are gonna prepare to. Assalamualaikum, Omar. Ça va bien? That was Omar. He was working on our van, and from today, they're gonna work on painting. They smoothed out the high roof, and you can see that they sanded it. But the other side, you can see that Abdul is really ready for the paint. You can see they really evened it out. And this one is really important. So they put like, you know, if they don't do it, it's kind of weird gap here. So they put it like this. TV's outside today, looking at the high roof. It's so beautiful, really, really beautiful. And then Mohammed is working on the tent. We checked the comment from Korean viewers, and they said like, oh, if you can do the FRP, like a fiberglass, it would be nice, but because of the cost is expensive and they don't expect that like they're gonna do this one, but you know, they did. For doing this one, yes, our quotation went up because this is a fiberglass, but yeah, overall, I love it, I love it. Look at that high top. They did a primer and then they sanded it and then smoothed it out. So it looks like originally Tubi made it like this. It looks like a car company made it. There was a huge damage because of the accident. Another camper did a hit and run. So that one is kind of fixed. You can see Abdullah was working on it. You can see that that huge dent was there. It's like smooth it out and push it out and then putty. This one was rock chip. Abdullah is doing a masking. You can see he's putting the paper and then tape around the car. I think he finished the Tubi's damaged part and he finished the putties. So he's gonna like send it out and I don't know, like paint coat. I should have asked Mark.
They're gonna primer the putty.
Yeah.
So spray a primer coat just in the areas where the putty blends into the paint, and then they'll fare it off, and then they will finish sanding the whole car before they paint.
We are heading to the paint shop, and I'm in the side truck. Side is driving, Mark is in the front. So we're gonna check the paint today. Okay, we choose the color and then now we are heading back to home, and hopefully we can see the final result later. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright, today is the finale of Tubi's color. Tubi is right in front of me. She looks beautiful. Actually, when they were doing the paint job, we always come here and then check the how the paint goes. And we had a little bit like kind of nervous kind of feeling about the paint color. A few days ago when we arrived here, we saw the color and then it was quite interesting. Oh, I can see. I can see. I can see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Jeez. 억수로 반짝반짝거린다. 와, 너무 이쁘다. Guys, we don't want to try it. It's so shiny.
Right?
Wow. So nice. Look at this baby, guys. Look at this baby. It's shiny. Like reflecting the Moroccan sun. It's so nice. And this is not our final color. It is a varnish right now. No, primer. So pretty. I love her. I've just put the camera in here so that you guys can see inside. It's like painted it and it's like nice. Yeah, I cannot wait to see the TV's finished painting job too. They finished the painting job during the holiday, so today is the first time we are gonna say it. I don't know how it comes out, but Eamon said it looks good. But yeah, we are gonna check it today, right? Are you excited? Wow, she looks so different. 완전 달라 보여, 애가. 어머, 아 살람, 살람. Wow. Like yeah, she looks so different with a high top and new color. And she looks brand new and everything is shining right now. So perfect. Mark didn't think that the color would be that bright, but I mean like I like the color. I like the color. It's not that bright, it's not that dark, it's perfect. I'm gonna reveal it. Right now you're watching black and white and you're gonna see right now. Okay, I'm nervous. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Look at that! Look at this baby girl. She looks so different. Oh, I love it.
As you see today, the weather is really good. It's very good. Abdullah is painting now. Between the colors. As you see now, the first cover in paint is done, but now we will do a second one.
You guys remember like here was like a huge dent and then here was cracked. Mohammed and Omar fixed perfectly, so even in the sun you can see the sun reflections like perfect. You don't see any dent anymore, but actually we had a lot of dent here too, and then we had a dent on the back side from here to there because when Mark backed it up he hit several times. So
One
yeah
time.
No, 2 times or 3 times. No, more than that.
Maybe 2 times.
So anyways, like you can see the reflection is perfect. Hard to describe the color because it's quite unique. Here is on the sign. We are expecting this color will be bright because the sun is hitting there, right? But actually in the shade, this area is a more bright color on it. I don't know. I mean, it's like it is like a tricking your eyes. So we choose Volkswagen teal blue color, and then whenever we come here and then see the color, it just trick your eyes. It's so hard to describe. It's kind of teal blue color. Sometimes it has a kind of baby blue color. So I couldn't describe well to Mark that, okay, our car is kind of bluish. So we decided to take the photo through our phone. Through the screen, every Tubi color is different. So yeah, I mean, it is Volkswagen teal blue color, but through your screen may be different. And then the outside roof painting is so nice. It's like really nice and shiny, and I love the color. I'm glad that we choose the off-white than the white color. And yeah, painting job is really great. I love it. Okay guys, I'm inside right now. I'm gonna show you a little bit more. So Abdullah, he painted inside too. Can you guys see it? So same as a teal blue color inside, and sliding doors the same. Also front door edges. So he, put the same color. So it is like, looks like originally come up with a teal blue from the factory. I mean Kia factory. So I love it. I love it, I love it. We gotta clean up a little bit too, a little bit dusty. Actually, when we got robbed in France, we had to go back to Korea, prepared all the documents. So when we went to Korea and we brought some car parts. So look at this. I didn't know, I thought like it's a new one we brought from Korea, but actually so I changed it. This is old one. And you can see it's like so loose. Oh, let me grab it. Side to side. It's side to side is pretty okay, as I'd say, but he said like front and back is so loose.
Even side to side is horrible.
Yeah. So we had a problem changing to the gear to first and second too, right?
Yeah. Look at that spring. I've never seen.
Yeah, we never had that one. Always
just springs right back. So side to side, it works a little bit, but it's really bad.
Yeah, but
I mean, if you feel the new stick, you
Yeah.
can just feel it spring back to the center position.
Mark tried to do the reverse, so we had to turn off the engine, right?
Yeah.
Turn off and then put the
put it in
reverse and then start the engine.
The clutch.
Yeah.
Start the engine.
Yeah, I can feel it. So loose. Do you think you can drive?
Did you see?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel, okay? And the gear stick too. Oh, yeah. How do you feel?
He definitely did some
Just be careful. Yeah.
he definitely did some work on the hydraulic system. So I can feel it right away.
Clutch.
And not just the clutch, but the brake feels different too.
What do you mean brake?
Because
Loose or tight or?
this is the reservoir for the both brake
Yeah.
and clutch fluid.
Yeah, right.
They both go in here.
Yeah.
So when they bled the system, they probably had to bleed possibly both systems. And the brake feels different too. There's better pressure on the brake. This guy,
You say better pressure right now or
Yeah.
bad?
this guy, like with one finger before, I can just press it to the floor.
Yeah, right. We had to stretch it down.
But yeah, it feels better.
So I made fun of you, like I don't have any problem with pushing the clutch because I have a longer leg than you. But anyways, what do you think? Do you guys like it? Just let us know, like below the comment. Previously, TV 1.0 was kind of off-road feeling, but now she looked like a camper van. I feel like I have a new car, brand new car. I want to say thanks to all who watch the videos until the end, and if you guys leave a comment and we are gonna reply you back. And before we close the vlog, I want to say the special thanks to our Patreon members and YouTube TV crew memberships. we have 3 members, yay! So if you guys are curious about joining the Tubi crew members, you can check below description, also right next to our channel. So anyways, we are gonna leave today. Bye bye, bye, ciao, bye.